How to write long script in ChatGPT. So first go to ChatGPT, and then for example, I want to write a script about, let's say, a funny story in school. So let's say I'm going to type in, give me a long script about a funny story that happens in school, and just press enter, and yeah, there you go. Now ChatGPT will give you a long script for this story. Okay, and you can also use this as a YouTube script as well. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.